Hi guys, I'm Kate and I'm going to be doing today's vlog for Verde Vlogs during this coronavirus break. So looking at some news today, the total cases are 323,516. There are 12,159 new cases and 719 new deaths. Okay, so I'm just reading on Kyoto News, which I think is a Japanese source, that as of 11:30 p.m. April 5th, Japan time, Japan is putting aside 100 trillion yen, which is about 9.2 billion, for a reserve fund to fight the new coronavirus pandemic. And Australian police are looking into how some passengers were allowed to disembark from a cruise ship showing flu-like symptoms. Reading this news makes me feel more hopeful because it shows that people across the world are really putting their resources and energy into solving this problem, and it makes me wish that our government was doing a little bit more, but let me look at the news and look into that and see what we've been doing. Okay, so now I'm looking at usa.gov/coronavirus, and they have this pretty well-stocked list of links and information for people who are curious about the virus and what to do. Safety measures, I clicked on one of the links and it's a list of what are the symptoms, who's at highest risk, what is social distancing, frequently asked questions, so that's a good resource for people who aren't sure what's going on or need to catch up on how to best protect themselves and their community. Looking at the news today makes me feel a little sad. It's also kind of rainy outside, so the mood is a little glum. But today I'm gonna be walking my neighbor's dog and working out, so I'll be taking you guys along with me for that. One way I've stayed connected with my community without having to interact with them that much face to face is I walk a dog for a couple who live in Old Palo Alto. So I just drove here. I don't go inside, I just stand on the doorstep and we go on hour-and-a-half to 2-hour walks. And it's a really nice way to get exercise and get outside and have a bit of a routine because my swim practices have been canceled. So I don't have scheduled workout time per se, but this is a nice, something that is kind of like that. So yeah, let's go meet the dog. Okay, this is Roxy. She's a long-haired German Shepherd mix and she's 2 years old and she's such a sweet girl. And we have a lot of fun on our walks and I get to explore a neighborhood that I don't usually come in. That's Steve Jobs' house over there. I don't usually hang out here, but this is fun. It's a good way to get some exercise and hang out with a puppy. Some other things I've been doing other than hanging out with Roxy, I've been reading a book called Boy Swallows Universe, and it's pretty cool. So this kid in Australia, I have been watching too much TV, more than I wish I had been watching. I've been watching Shameless, and it's really good. It takes my mind off things. I'm listening to music and normal stuff. A lot of Zooming with my friends, so. Yep, one of Roxy's favorite things to do is sit and sniff just the air around her. And I think we can all learn a lot from Roxy and being present. What I'm noticing presently is that it's raining, and I wish we would keep walking, but I think apparently it's just time to sit and sniff. So yeah, just finding time in this quarantine to really take your time and observe your beautiful surroundings. Can we go? No. Okay, we're still waiting. It's okay. It'll be a minute. It'll be a minute. Yeah. Okay, it's actually pouring out. Soaking wet, but I think I'm gonna end this walk early because I'm not really vibing. Oh, so I actually just got back from doing this. I forgot to take a phone to take videos with, but I wrote a little card to everyone on my swim team and I went around and dropped them off. Social distancing, of course. I dropped stuff on porches and it was really fun to reconnect with everyone. Everybody's house that I went to was oh, I miss you so much, I miss the team. So it was just a good reminder that everyone's going through what I'm going through and to find connections wherever I can. And little things writing a postcard can really change someone's day and remind them to think about Pally and the friends they have, so that was really fun. Alright guys, well I'm signing off for the night. Thank you for tuning in to this Verde vlog. I hope it provided a bit of insight into what someone's life during quarantine was like. You can check out more information about COVID-19 on our website and social media, Verde magazine. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.